Most people get blocked on X and have no idea, and figuring it out can be confusing. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to see who blocked you on X step by step without any hacks or third-party apps that could compromise your account. Step 1. Open the X app or website and log into your account. Most people skip this, but you need to be logged in to check your interactions. Step 2. Search for the username of the person you suspect blocked you. You can do this by typing their handle in the search bar. Step 3. If you can't find their profile or their tweets don't show up, that's the first sign. To confirm, try visiting their profile directly through the URL x.com/username. Step 4. If you see a message like you are blocked from following that username and viewing that username's tweets, then you've been blocked. Most people get this wrong by assuming they've been deactivated or deleted, but this is the exact indicator from X itself. Step 5. Optionally, check your interactions. If previous likes, retweets, or replies disappear, it can also indicate a block. Remember, blocked accounts cannot view tweets, send messages, or follow the blocker. The surprising truth is that X doesn't notify you when someone blocks you, so you have to check manually or use this method. Avoid third-party apps claiming to show blockers. They can compromise your account security. In conclusion, seeing who blocked you on X is straightforward if you know where to look. Most people get this wrong by relying on rumors or apps, but a quick manual check keeps your account safe and gives you clear answers. Subscribe for more X tips and tricks to stay in control of your social media experience.